On a cliff facing the Aegean Sea on the island of Antiparos, Gremnos House presents itself as a piece of architecture carved by wind, light, and steep topography. Designed by CO Lab, the house emerges from a direct relationship with the site. It does not impose itself on the land. It allows itself to be shaped by its slopes, natural cuts, and geology. Gremnos House balances tradition and innovation. It preserves the vernacular essence of the Cyclades: white walls, stone, courtyards, shade, wind, while transforming these elements into a contemporary language. Every architectural gesture respects the place, the geology, and the extreme climate of the region. The name Gremnos means cliff in Greek, and that concept guides the entire siting. The house rests on the steep incline of the cliff, organizing its volumes into terraces that step down toward the sea, as if carved into the landscape. Each level reveals a new view, a new framing of water and horizon. The architecture is composed of horizontal volumes and strong lines that echo the natural stratification of the island's rocks. Local stone walls, white render, and large glazed plains establish a direct dialogue between Cycladic tradition and contemporary design. Outside, the material palette reinforces a sense of permanence. Stone, concrete, and white render integrate with the island's arid landscape. The flat roof, characteristic of Cycladic architecture, emphasizes horizontality and helps nest the complex into the terrain's profile. The project follows a logic of shelter and opening, oriented to the south toward the sea, yet protected from the strong winds typical of the region. The house creates inner courtyards, recesses, and roofs that filter light, ventilation, and views. This alternation between solids and voids allows the route through the house to be fluid, shifting between shade, brightness, privacy, and expansiveness. The social area opens fully to the sea with large sliding doors that connect the living room, kitchen, and main terrace. Here, interior and exterior form a single platform that seems to float above the cliff. In the bedrooms, light is controlled through strategically placed openings. Niches, natural finishes, and restrained furniture create spaces that prioritize rest and silence. The house assumes the atmosphere of a retreat, a refuge on the island's edge. The path across the different levels composes a spatial narrative. You begin at the upper entrance, descend the terraces, pass through sheltered courtyards, reach the social heart of the house, and finally arrive at the terrace closest to the sea. It is architecture that tells a story through walking. More than a house, Gremnos House is an experiment in living lightly on a cliff, a building anchored to the ground without losing its connection to sky and sea, a refuge where architecture does not compete with the landscape but reveals it, step by step, terrace by terrace.